What's happening, everybody? Passive crypto mining here. This quick video is going to overview and review the new Yieldnodes app for the mobile. If you don't know what Yieldnodes is, it's an investment opportunity. I've got a detailed video in the description. It averages 10% returns per month, although it does change recently. I also have an amazing returns calculator. All of the links in the description. So I got an email today letting me know that Yieldnodes app has officially been launched. I've got a link in the description, but you want to make sure that you download the correct app, not the fake one. This is what the app looks like. You want to go ahead and click on install. Once it's installed, you want to go ahead and open the app. Of course, once you open the app, you're going to want to enter your username and then your password, the one that you use on the online web application. Once you've done that, type in the two-factor authentication. Hopefully you've got one. It's recommended to do so. This is what the home page of the app looks like. You can see a total masternoded balance, and you can also see what your ROI is in the last 3 months of profits. If I head over to a detailed report of the profits, just like on the web app, you can see quickly how much you return month by month. Now, I do a breakdown of how much I have made so far. Some months there are lesser return than others. That's because of late deposits. I'll tell you about that later. Clicking on deposit now, you can see you can deposit on here. You can also reinvest here. And finally, you can see your deposit history by clicking on this segment on the app. So far, intuitive, but if there are any bugs, they will let us know and they'll update it accordingly. And you can see my deposit history here, including the release date. And as you can see, this video is recorded on the 26th of September. I officially can now withdraw my deposit 6 months ago, 1,700 euros that I put in. I can now withdraw that into my withdrawable balance. Maybe I'll do that in an upcoming video. So if I click on withdraw, you can see the automatic compounding option that you can change here. I've got it set to 100%. Here you can transfer. You can see I've got 1,775 euros that I can transfer because that has now become available after the 6-month vesting period. All I need to do is enter that into there. And finally, you can see my withdrawal history. Because all of my profits have gone back into reinvesting, it's counting it as a withdrawal. And so that's the mobile application. It looks so good so far. Let me know if you guys have been able to download it. And I'll be doing an update video for September as I put a decent amount of money in recently, and you can see how much I've made. A video to come. Thank you very much.